Hey guys, Craig here again with a how-to video. Today's video, Web Out. Web Out is gonna be kind of like, and we have a spider. You see guys, we're filming this at Halloween time, so you have seen our Halloween spider. Web Out is gonna be your web remover, your web deterrent. It is a contact kill. Here's the plus, all natural. All natural. This is going to be like a laundry detergent booster. So you're going to use your normal insecticides, and then this is just kind of going to be your extra boost. It's going to help that web not attach. If you're looking to wipe out trails of insects, spider issues, you're going to want to add this to what you're normally using for your insecticide, not this only. 1 quart bottle. It's going to cover about 200 to 300 square feet. Indoors, it will hold up 5 to 6 months. Outdoors, 2 to 3 months. Basically just go to the area where the spiders are. You're going to want to spray that web down really well. Then you're going to want to take your web brush and you're going to want to knock the web down, and then that will deter and leave it there to prevent future spiders from coming along and building, because basically their webs will not stick to the surface. So this is Web Out. It comes in a 1 quart bottle. If you have any questions about it, just let us know. Here's a fun fact: this kills mildew also, but you're probably not going to buy it for that. So give us a holler if you have any questions. Craig at howtopest.com.